Hello everyone, I'm your host Riyad Maruf Hassan, and you're watching the 8th episode of A Sketch of the Sky Season 1 only on the Clippers. Today we have Miss Bhuvaneshwari Loganathan. We're glad to have her today. She is the co-founder of MIT Square, headquartered in Bangalore, and she is an accomplished business development personality, a creative and dynamic personality with proven expertise in consistently penetrating new markets to ensure sustainable revenue growth, which fetched the Outstanding Woman Entrepreneur Award 2020. And she is also she's running a charity organization, Raj Square Foundation, to provide free education and healthcare support to the needy. So we'd like to introduce you to Bhuvaneshwari ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, thank you for your kind words. Before we would go for the interview, I would like to talk few things about you. Riyadh, you are an Indian author, entrepreneur, talk show host, poet, and essayist. And you are just 13 years old and you have been awarded the youngest writer of Assam. And you have done a debut book called How We Became Magnificent. You are the best performer of NASA International Space Essay Competition, a founder of media company called The Clippers. I am so happy that I am a part of your journey and I am in the eighth episode. Thank you so much, Riyadh, for giving me an opportunity to be a part of your journey.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Ma'am, we'd like to know when and where were you born?
I was born and brought up in Bangalore, Karnataka, to parents P. Loganathan, who is a famous athletic champion, and my mother, Ramani. I am the eldest daughter. So we were very happy living. And at the age of 12, I could, once I coming from school, I could see my dad is no more. That day, a tsunami came into my life, and I had to take a lot of responsibility. As a mother with two daughters cannot live separately, we had to go back to our grandparents' place, where it is a joint family system kind of a thing, like with uncle, aunts, and everywhere. We were born and brought up. I mean, after from 12 years onwards, I was living with them. So we had a lot of aspiration, to come up in life, and I had a lot of desire to be an entrepreneur, to be a singer, to be a dancer. But since it's our family is very orthodox, we could not get that kind of opportunity, or girl cannot get such an opportunity. So that is how my life began, and I was really depressed. And once I got married and my son was born, and I started talking to him as he grew up about my passion and my interest. Then he promised me that he will give me an opportunity, that he will support me. So that whatever I am today, it is only because of Dr. Mithilesh, who understood my passion, and whatever I am today is only because of him. Thank you, Mithilesh.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, when was the MIT Square founded and what led to its foundation?
Well, MIT Square was founded in the year 2020, and this is a ISO company founded by Dr. Mithilesh Satyanarayan, and I co-founded along with him. And the next question you asked me is how it led. Yes, it was actually a casual talk with my son, Dr. Mithilesh, over a cup of coffee. When we were talking about a lot of interesting subjects and other things, we came to understand. I mean, we were talking about the education system in India, and very pathetic about the things happening here. So that is how Mithilesh came out with an idea that we need to support Indian students, and we have to bring a platform and a revolution kind of a thing. Like as you see, like most of the things, products and the apps have been imported from different country. Although our Indian students are very good at it, and they don't have proper mentor system. So that is how Dr. Mithilesh founded this MIT Square, MIT Square, to bring a revolution. It is ISO formed company, and we support product design and the development.
Thank you, ma'am. How was the beginning of your journey as a business development personality?
Well, as a business development, during this lockdown and pandemic, it is very, very challenging. And of course, it is rewarding too. I enjoy every moment of it.
And ma'am, how does business development impacts your personality?
Business development, it really helped me in my personality by optimistic and outgoing.
Ma'am, how do you think business development level has increased at the present day?
As we climb the ladder, there are a lot of responsibilities and opportunities. So we have to just take it as it is, as per the present situation.
True, ma'am. And we'd also like to know about Raj Square Charity Foundation and how it started.
Well, Raj Square Charity, we just started, trust has been started last year along with Mid Square. Earlier, we were doing this without, making any registration. It is actually in our blood from the great grandparents. It has been done, and they have done a lot of things, charity, but they are not registered as a company or anything as such. They were doing it, to the known people and the known circle. And after that, after the grandparents, uncles and aunties also took up the same thing, and they adopted a village, two or three villages, one near Shirdi, the other one near Pavagada, and one near Puttaparthi. They every time they go to the village and support the village people. They are very very pathetic to see them, and they used to give food, dress material, blankets, and they help them with the books and pen and whatever not. So whenever they go, they take us along with us. So that was there from our, from our childhood. And after marriage and other things, when the child is born, Mithilesh, and we used to celebrate his birthday in orphanage or any of the old age home. All his birthday was celebrated there, and that also, made a very good impact on Mithilesh. So that is how we started in the name of Raj Foundation, which is our grandparents' name, Keswaraj, Vardharaj, and Selvaraj. So in that name, we just started Raj Square Charity Foundation. In this, we have lot of programs. We help the transgenders, we help the women empowerment, we help the health sector and education as well. So we have a lot more to come. Only because of the pandemic and other things situation, it is just going in a very slow pace.
Thank you, ma'am. I'd like to come to my last question. How do you think creativity is needed in business development?
Of course, creativity is very much required at this point of time. Creativity is a one, that helps us to penetrate into the market and bring the individuality. Otherwise, it's very very difficult, without any creativity, and it brings into positivity and optimism.
So, thank you very much for coming here and speaking at our talk show. And I really had a great time speaking with you.
Thank you so much, Riyad, for taking so much of time and effort to have a talk show with me and making me an host for the eighth episode. And thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.